So guys, in this video we are going to be making akpu fufu, so pure organic fufu, that's what we are going to be making today. But we'll not make it today. I'm going to soak it for like 3 days before blending. So this is the cassava that I bought the last time. I bought these 2 cassava, so I'm going to use it to do akpu. For a very long time I've not eaten akpu for a very long time, like from 14 years now. I've not tasted akpu, pure akpu, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. So I bought this cassava to make my akpu at home, so the first thing that I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to peel off this cassava. I'll wash it, never mind, but this is how I bought this cassava in Afro shop, So I'm going to be peeling this cassava. So this is it. So I'm going to be removing the back. For a very long time, I've not peeled cassava. I have not peeled this stuff here. Cassava is cassava now. This is what they used to do, gari, Many people in Nigeria know it now, except those who were born for this abroad. Now they don't know cassava like this, I told my husband that I'm going to be doing akpu. He said, hey, can you do it? No, say my mama don't make akpu before, I'm afraid of this knife. Now this one wanted to spoil. Wow, you see what I go buy with my money? See, this one is not that good though. Oh, this one is not good. Let's peel it first. This one 10 mil. And I go take big one. I know I just take small one. It's just for one time use, sure. I'm going to be throwing this one away. So I want to throw this away. So I want to be cutting there. So guys, I want to wash this cassava that you're seeing here. So I have finished slicing them. So I'm going to be washing it here. So this is it. I'm going to be using this rubber to soak it for like 3-4 days. So guys, this is it. So at this point, I'm in the kitchen. So at this point, I am going to be adding a warm water, not water that is very cold, because we are in winter here, I don't mean is a place like Nigeria that is hot. You don't even need to add warm water to it, So I'm going to let this water. I have to add more. So can you see the water? You have to let the water to cover the cassava, So this thing that I'm cooking has a lot of pepper. So I'm going to be leaving it there. So guys, I am going to use this bag to cover it, because we want a place that is warm, So I don't have where I will keep this thing. If not, I don't have where to keep it. Where a place that is warm. So I think using this one to cover it, it will be better, for 3-4 days, Normally that time when my mom that is warm, sometimes we'll leave her for 7 days when we day winter, I wanted to put it in oven, but I don't want to go and forget to. Then I'll just go burn my stuff. So it's better I leave it here, for that 7 days, See you guys then today.